How to make an Americano. What's the difference between an Americano and a long black? How to make it with an espresso machine or an automatic coffee machine. Today, I'm telling you everything about the Americano. Hi, I'm Colin and you're on Cafe Lista, the channel dedicated to coffee. The Americano, not to be confused with an American coffee or a drip coffee. It's a drink made from an espresso shot and hot water. It couldn't be simpler. There are just two steps. First, we will prepare an espresso and then we will pour hot water on it. Here is how it works with an espresso machine. Of course, the quality of our Americano will depend entirely on the good dialing of our espresso, which is, as you probably know, far from easy. So first, a good espresso, then we can make a good Americano. Let's make an espresso now. Once we have our espresso, we put hot water in it. If your machine allows it, you can use the hot water spout. If you have a machine like a DeLonghi Dedica, Stilosa or a Breville, you can also use the steam one to pour hot water. Or even easier, if you really want hot water, you can use a kettle. The key here is that you can adjust the amount of water, which will significantly change the intensity of your coffee. The more water you add, the less intense and strong your coffee will be. And that could be a great drink for people who find the espresso a bit too strong or difficult to drink. Now we're going to make one using a super automatic coffee machine. The same principle applies here. First, we will make an espresso shot. Some higher-end machine will come with the Americano option. But if you use a DeLonghi Magnifica Start, for example, you can simply use the steam one to pour hot water. Or same idea, just a kettle. So why drinking an Americano? It's often a great choice if you want to maintain a certain intensity of your coffee, especially if you're making a double espresso, while also making it less strong and more accessible. This is a great choice for people who find the espresso overpowering or too strong, too difficult to drink. It is also a great choice if you have an automatic coffee machine. One of the problems of those machines by using the long drinks is that the water will continue flowing through the espresso cup, resulting in a coffee that's usually too bitter. With the Americano and the proper setting, we will keep our balanced espresso while having a bigger cup. Now, long black or Americano? There is a slightly different version of the Americano that I really like because it preserves the crema, and it's called long black. Here, you pour hot water first, then you add your espresso shot. A good tip here is to keep the cup really close to the coffee spout. That way we won't break the crema and we will have a beautiful coffee with a nice layer of crema on top, which often lacks in the Americano. So does it really change the taste? Believe it or not, but if it's a big debate in the coffee world, and I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Do you prefer the Americano or the long black? As always, I hope you will have a good day. I'll see you soon. Ciao.